good? Hey, what's up? Thank you for joining Jacobs. We are here today, and we want to just tell you, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit it
right now. Don't wait. Don't hesitate.
Just go ahead and hit that bell. And let us know what you think of our videos. We love to talk. We love to chat with you. We love to get to know you. So I'm Rachel. This is Chewy. And this is Jordan. So.
Almost forgot my name.
Today, we are doing,
we are playing the noise game. And since we're playing a game and doing I got my gamer shirt on. I'm ready. I'm hyped up. So let's go ahead and get in it. Alright guys, so how this game is gonna work is we have 6 noises right here written down on pieces of paper, and we have to try and imitate these noises, no matter what they are, as best we can. And then you guys are gonna vote who did the noise better, and then at the end we're gonna take all your votes and we're gonna see who won. But so we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and our first noise for what we're doing is.
I don't like that.
What are you gonna what? What are you talking about?
That's your noise. I don't want that.
No, we both have to do the same noise.
Oh.
Yeah. So, garage door.
Is it a creaky garage door or a silent garage door?
You make it up. You make it up. All right.
Can I act with it?
You can do whatever you want with it. Are you going first?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do all of this, so I just want to get it done with. Okay.
Alright, I got you. Ready?
Straight. Someone should come out with a knife and stab us after they're like.
Alright, so go ahead and vote now. Who did it better, me or Rachel? And then we'll go ahead and get to the next one. Donkey.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
Eat-haw! We ran away.
All right.
That was really good. Like really good.
I'm just thinking about Eeyore with this depressed
I
sound.
couldn't even think of what a donkey would sound like. I just was thinking of a horse.
Alright, so go ahead. Make sure you heard it. If you need to listen back. But alright, we're gonna get to the next one. Drinking.
Okay.
Like drinking something.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, that was good. She even did that. I got you. Ready?
Oh. You sound like you're gonna vomit. If you could just see the judgmental looks we're getting from our dog right now.
Oh, is that you? Alright, so go ahead and vote now in the comment section. Let's get to the next one.
I really don't know my animals well enough to do this.
It's an elephant.
I mean, I know what it looks like. I don't know what it's...
An elephant, you know, with his trunk, you know. Yeah, let's go for it. Or do you want me to go first?
No, I don't like following you. Like...
It's like... We got Dumbo. Alright, come on.
I've never seen Dumbo.
He's cute. He's a little baby elephant.
I am not.
It's that little part. Wait. I can't do it anymore.
I got it. Mine was way better. Oh no.
Alright, go ahead and vote. vote. Go ahead and vote. Go ahead and vote.
It's not fair.
Racecar. You know what a race car sounds like? Oh. Shut up. Oh, you had a backfire. Oh, there you go. Alright. That was a good one. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta top that.
Yeah, it's imagination.
All right.
Of your imagination.
So you gotta get in the car.
Yeah. Oh, just keep your car.
This is a drag car, by the way. So we go first gear.
Mine was a very high speed, fast car.
All right, so you gotta vote now. You gotta vote. Who did it better? Me or Rach? That changed it. A good job. I like your backfire. That was good. That was clever. All right, going to the last one. Last but not least, we got Monkey.
All right, you go first.
All right. Oh, I go first for Monkey, and none of the other ones, but just Monkey. Okay. All right. Gotta enter Tarzan. All right.
The camera. We gotta get Chewy just judging us.
All right. Here we go. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Kurt check. All right, Rach. This is all up to you. All up to you. Final moment. Oh, she's getting a gorilla. Channel the inner monkey. Channel the inner monkey. Monkey. Well then, we got a monkey and a Chewy who's terrified of the monkey. All right, so go ahead right now. Chewy's freaking out. Oh my gosh. All right, so go right now. Go ahead, put your votes in, comment your votes. Tell us who did better, Rach or me. How many points did we score each? There should have been 6 different noises, so you tell us who did the best noises and who got the points, and let us know in the comments who won. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button right up here in the corner. And if you haven't seen any of our other videos, go ahead and check this one out. So thank you so much for joining Jacobs.
Come on, do some mom and dad.
Bloopers.